Hi guys! So today we're opening one blind bag, one blind box, a squeezy surprise animal, and a XOXO Queenie. So let's just start with the small, and then we'll do the big one. So I don't really know any of the options, but we're just gonna open it and see. So we got it. Okay, we got, oh, a unicorn. Okay, there's the back, and the front is really squishy. So we have the XOXO Queenie. These are the options, and I have the Spegable one. And I would like the ice cream, the cotton candy. Ice cream one too is really cute. That wasn't satisfying enough. I think there might be a card or something, so I don't want to. Okay, let's see. And we got. Oh, okay. Is that is Queen of Gummy Cats? Oh, she's like a gummy bear cat. Oh, that's kind of cute, actually. Look, and she's got a little crown. Oh, that's adorable. And there's her card. Cute. Is perfect. Okay, well that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.